Hello, my dear students. Omni School presents online classes through my channel Maths Take It Easy. Hi, I'm Mohammad Haris Mansoori and I'm taking your mathematics subject. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Maths Take It Easy. Let's start with our video and our subject. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? This is our maths chapter number 1, rational numbers. Okay, as we have learned most of number systems in our previous classes, say natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Okay, जैसा कि हम नंबर सिस्टम्स क्लास बल्कि जूनियर केजी से हम लोग पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. नेचुरल नंबर जो है वो स्टार्ट होते हैं 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन से नेचुरल नंबर्स, जिसे हम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड और होल नंबर सिर्फ इसमें ज़ीरो इंक्लूड करना है. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो ये नेचुरल नंबर्स है, ये होल नंबर्स है. ओके, इसी तरह इंटीजर जो है नेगेटिव इनफाइनाइट से लेके पॉजिटिव इनफाइनाइट कहते हैं कंसेप्ट ऑफ लॉन्ग नंबर, यानी कि जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है, जैसा कि यहाँ से होते होते माइनस इनफाइनाइट से होते होते -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, इसे बोलते हैं इंटीजर्स. ओके, सो हमारे पास 3 नंबर सिस्टम हुई. देखिए, here we have given natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So natural number that include 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And whole numbers that include 0 in natural number. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And integers, the starting point of integers is very big negative numbers. Okay, so there are infinitely many integers. So came from minus infinity to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, see, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so these are integers. In integer there are both the side from 0, both the side there are positive natural numbers and there are negative. Okay, so these are called integers. Okay, which we have all learned in our previous classes, say 6 and 7 also. Okay, so now what is a rational number? That also we have seen in the last class. What is rational numbers? Rational numbers, the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Okay, any numbers p and q. okay, मतलब कोई भी नंबर को जिसे हम p बाई q के फॉर्म में बता सकते हैं, एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, उसे कहेंगे रेशनल नंबर्स. ओके, और यहाँ पे p और q इंटीजर्स हो सकते हैं. p and q आर इंटीजर्स. ओके, सो इंटीजर्स. ओके, हम एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे रेशनल नंबर किसे कहते हैं. सी, 3 is integer, yes, and 4 is also an integer, yes. Now 3 by 4 is called a rational numbers. Okay, again we take an example. See, -3 is an integer, yes. -4 is also an integer, yes. So -3 upon -4, which is equal to 3/4 also a rational number. Why is it a rational number? Because 3/4 is in the form of p by q. Okay, and we have seen any number which is in the form of p by q is called a rational number. यानी जो भी न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में है उसे हम कहेंगे रेशनल नंबर. ओके, वो it can be negative, it can be positive, it can be zero also. Okay, now any number we can express in the form of p by q. Okay, now if we have 1, so how can we show this number in the form of p by q? See, इसे हम p by q के फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? देखिए, 1 को हम p by q के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? तो 1/1. किसी नंबर्स को भी हम अगर 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो सेम ही नंबर आएगा. सो एनी नंबर वी कैन राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q. ओके, सो नेचुरल नंबर यानी कि 1, 2, 3, 4 ये भी रेशनल नंबर कह सकते हैं, जैसा कि 1/1, 2/1, 3/1, 4/1 likewise. Okay, and integers, so -3, -2, -1. Okay, also can be expressed in the form of p by q, -3/1, -2/1, -1/1. Okay, so these are also can be expressed in the form of p by q. So we can say that integers are also a rational numbers. Now again, the rational numbers. Rational number can be negative, can be 0 or positive. Okay, now coming to the properties of rational numbers. Now first property is closure. Now what is closure property? Okay, so closure means, if we, before going to the properties, okay, first let us understand the arithmetic operations. Okay, what are arithmetic operations? Okay, so plus means addition, minus subtraction, multiplications, and divide means division. Okay, so these are called arithmetic operations. Okay, so if we apply on the numbers or number system, so the some properties we can see. Okay, so which are given here. So first, one by one we will see the properties of rational numbers. Okay, first closure property. So what is closure property? Okay, closure means if we add the same number, okay, same number means same kind of numbers, okay, and the result is also from that system, so that we can say that the number are closer, okay, under the given operations, okay, arithmetic operations. Now here let us see by an example. See here, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 we have been given. See, is 0 a whole number? Yes. Is 5 a whole number? Yes. Now if you add this number 0 plus 5, so answer is 5, okay, which is a whole, again a whole number. यानी हम अगर दो नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे और वो दोनों अगर होल नंबर में से है तो उसका आंसर भी होल नंबर में से होना चाहिए. ओके, इफ़ it is like that, then only we can say that whole numbers are closed under addition. whole number जो है वो closer है, okay, closed है. अगर if see in addition the condition is satisfied, okay, whole numbers are closed under addition. Now coming to the subtraction. Okay, now what is subtraction? What about subtraction? Okay, if we add minus subtract, so here 5 and 7 both are whole numbers. Okay, 5 and 7 both are whole numbers. If we subtract these numbers, then answer is -2. Okay, answer is -2. -2 is not a whole number. So if we subtract two whole numbers, then the answer may or may not be a whole number. So we can say that whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Okay, क्लोजर का मतलब यही है कि अगर हम वो ऑपरेशन करें और आंसर भी सेम सिस्टम में से होना चाहिए. जैसा कि अगर दो होल नंबर को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो आंसर भी हमेशा ऑलवेज होल नंबर होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, इसीलिए whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Now what about multiplication? Okay, let us see multiplication. 0 into 3 is equal to 0, a whole number. Okay, if we multiply 0 is a whole number, yes. 3 is also a whole number, yes. If we multiply them, the answer is 0, which is also a whole number. Now next, 3 into 7. Now 3 into 7 is what? 20. 21. Is 21 a whole number? Yes. Okay, so 21 is also a whole number. So if you multiply two whole number, answer is also a whole number. So we can say that whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Here we have been given, in general, if a and b are two whole numbers, then product ab is also a whole number. Okay, if a is a whole number, b is also a whole number, then the product means multiplication is also a whole number. That is called closure property of whole numbers under multiplication. So we can say that whole numbers are closed under मल्टीप्लिकेशन, यानी कि हम अगर दो होल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर भी होल नंबर ही होगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट अबाउट डिवीज़न? ओके, सो इफ वी डिवाइड टू होल नंबर्स, then answer is here 5 by 8. Is 5 by 8 a whole number? No, 5 by 8 is a rational number. So we can say that whole numbers are not closed under division. Whole number division में closed नहीं है. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Only addition and multiplication are whole numbers are closed under addition, and whole numbers are closed under multiplication, and whole numbers are not closed under subtraction, and whole number are not closed under division. ओके, सिर्फ एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्लोज है, यानी अगर टू नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे या टू होल नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर होल नंबर आएगा. ओके, और टू नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें या टू नंबर को डिवाइड करें तो आंसर ज़रूरी नहीं कि होल नंबर आएगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे टू प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो है वो क्लोज्ड है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज़ इंटीजर में क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी देखेंगे. ओके, अब इंटीजर में क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी देखिए, हियर सेम काइंड. ओके, let us take two integers. Is -6 an integer? Yes. Is 5 is an integer? Yes. So -6 plus 5 is answer -1. Okay, -6 plus 5 answer is -1. How? See, if we add or subtract two integers, then first we have to see which number is bigger. 6 is a bigger number, so in answer the minus sign will come. Okay, now 6 minus 5 is, if there are different signs, so 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so answer is -1. कैसे माइनस कैसे करेंगे? देखिए, दो नंबर है और दोनों नंबर डिफरेंट साइंस है, यानी एक माइनस एक प्लस है. सो हम उसे माइनस करेंगे. अगर डिफरेंट साइंस है तो माइनस करेंगे. 6 minus 5 1, और जो बिगर नंबर्स है उसकी साइन आंसर में हम रखेंगे, सो -1. सो सिमिलरली यहाँ पे 6 minus 5 -1 है. दो इंटीजर को प्लस किया तो आंसर जो आया वो इंटीजर्स में है. सो और दो माइनस नंबर, देखिए -7 -5 को भी प्लस किया है तो भी आंसर इंटीजर में कैसे आएगा? -7 प्लस -5. अब इसे हम करेंगे. सी, -7 प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है. यस, सो यहाँ पे माइनस होगा, तो 7 minus 5 -12. ओके, देखिए कैसे होगा? -7. ओके, और प्लस माइनस जो होगा वो -5. अब यहाँ पे दोनों नंबर्स के साइन सेम है तो हम ऐड करेंगे. 7 + 5 12, और साइन जो है वो उसे रखेंगे तो -12. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा -12. -12 भी इंटीजर है. यस, so we can say that integers are closed under addition. Why? Because if we add two integers, in general here written a plus b, if we add two integers then answer is also an integer. That is why we can say that integers are closed under addition. Okay, now subtraction. Okay, subtraction. In subtraction, okay, we have been given two integers. 7 is an integer, yes. 5 is also an integer. If we subtract this number, see, 7 is an integer, 5 is also an integer. Now if we subtract 7 minus 5, which is 2 is also an integer, okay. But if we see, if we do like this, 5 minus 7, okay, means 5 is an integer, yes. 7 is an integer, yes. But if we minus them, subtract them, then 5 minus 7, so bigger number is 7, so answer is minus, and 5 minus 7, okay, 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2, okay. Is 2 is an integer? Is 2 an integer? Yes, minus 2 is from integer. So we can say that if we subtract two integers, then answer is also an integer. Then we can say that integers are closed under subtraction, okay. Similarly, we can say that for multiplication and division also, okay. See, if we multiply two integers, 5 is an integer, 8 is also an integer, so answer is 40. 40 is an integer, okay. 5 8s are 40. Now in integer we have minus numbers also, okay. So if we multiply a minus number, then what? Minus 5 multiply by minus 8, okay. So minus 5 minus 8 multiply करना है, तो 5 8s are 40 and minus minus plus, so answer is an integer, okay. Minus 5 is an integer, minus 8 is also an integer, and if we multiply them, then answer is an also integer, okay. So we can say that minus 5 into minus 8 is equal to 40, so which is also an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. Now in general, here we have been given, if a is an integer, b is also an integer, then the answer ab is again an integer. So here written, integers are closed under multiplication, okay. Now similarly we can check for the division also, okay. 5 is an integer, 8 is an integer. If we divide them, then answer is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is not an integer, it is a rational number, so we can say that integers are not closed under division, okay. Now for rational number, what is about rational numbers? So first, here see, now if we add two numbers, say 3 by 4 is a rational number, yes. Now next, 1 by 4, is 1 by 4 rational number? Yes. If we add them, then answer is 3 plus 1 by 4, which is also 3 plus 1 4 by 4, which is also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition, okay. See, which is written here, okay, which is written here, rational numbers are closed under addition, okay. मीन्स इफ़ वी ऐड टू रैशनल नंबर्स, अगर हम दो रैशनल नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे, जैसा कि यहाँ पे दिया है, टू रैशनल नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर जो है वो रैशनल नंबर आता है, ओके. यहाँ पे थोड़ा अलग एग्जांपल लिया है, इसे समझते हैं कैसे लिया है, ओके. 3 बाई 8 प्लस माइनस 5 बाई 7, यहाँ पे दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट है, तो सबसे पहले एलसीएम लेंगे, तो 7 8 जा 56, एलसीएम 56 है. अब यहाँ पे ये नंबर्स को हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को, और यहाँ पे 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए. इसीलिए ऊपर 7 3 ज़ा 21 प्लस माइनस माइनस 8 5 ज़ा 40, ओके, जो यहाँ पे किया हुआ है, ओके. सो अब 21 माइनस 40 इज़ माइनस 19, ओके. द नेक्स्ट, सो अगेन यहाँ पे जो आंसर है माइनस 19 बाई 56, minus 19 by 16, 56, again a rational number. So if we add two rational numbers, then answer is a rational number. Then we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition, okay. Similarly for subtraction, okay, what about subtraction? Okay, same way, if we subtract two numbers, see here, minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4, okay. So now denominators are same, so written 4 here, and minus 3 minus 5. Answer is minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 upon 4, which is again a rational number. So if we subtract two rational numbers, then answer is also a rational number. Then we can say that rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Now the same way we can say that for multiplication and division also. Okay, if we multiply two rational numbers, then answer is also multiplication. Okay, see here we have been given minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. So answer is, see, 4 2s are 8, so minus 8, and 3 5s are 15. So our answer is also a rational number. Similarly, two rational numbers are given. Okay, 3 by 7 multiply 2 by 5. Okay, so multiply of numerators and multiply of denominator. 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 35. So answer is also a rational number. So both the products are rational numbers. That is why we can say that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Okay, means if we, for any two rational numbers A and B, A multiply B is also a rational number. Okay, next. Now again for division. Okay, so if we divide two rational numbers, say here we have been given minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 5, which is equal to minus 25 by 6. Okay, means how they did this, minus 5 by 3 multiply 2 by 5. कैसे डिवाइड किया है देखिए, minus 5 by 3 multiply division becomes multiply, and this number will get okay reverse, so sorry, reciprocal, 5 by 2. Now 5 5s are 25. Okay, and sign is minus upon 3 2s are 6. Okay, so which is also a rational number. Yes, if we divide two rational numbers, then answer is also a rational number. Then we can say that but if we divide any number we divide with 0. See, 2 by 3 is a rational number, but if we divide by 0, okay, any number which is divided by 0, then it is not defined. Okay, so we can say that rational numbers are not closed. क्योंकि अगर ये केस में अगर किसी रेशनल नंबर से हम 0 को डिवाइड किया तो 0 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, इसीलिए रेशनल नंबर्स डिवीजन में क्लोज नहीं है, ऐसा विच इज़ रिटन हियर. ओके, सो रेशनल नंबर्स आर नॉट क्लोज अंडर डिवीजन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज, यहाँ पे ओवरऑल दिया है रेशनल नंबर्स. ओके, रेशनल नंबर्स आर क्लोज्ड अंडर एडिशन, क्लोज्ड अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, नाउ rational numbers are also closed under multiplication also. Okay, integers. Okay, closed under addition, yes. Closed under subtraction, yes. But closed under multiplication, yes. But not closed under division. Whole numbers are closed under addition, yes. But not closed under multiplication. Okay, multiplication not closed under subtraction, but whole numbers are closed under multiplication but not in the division. Similarly, natural numbers are closed under addition but not closed under subtraction. And similarly, see, यहाँ पे yes, यहाँ पे yes, okay, यहाँ पे yes, पे no, okay, and natural numbers में भी of course not, multiplication में yes, okay, और यहाँ पे भी yes. Okay, so ये complete table है. Okay, next. Now commutativity. What is commutativity? Okay, have you do you know about commutativity? Okay, now what is commutativity or commutative property? we have seen also in the last classes, okay, commutativity about natural numbers and whole numbers also for an integer. Okay, this is just revision. okay, commutativity में क्या होता है, दो नंबर्स को हम ऐड करें, अगर जो भी ऑपरेशन है हमारा एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, ओके, अगर एडिशन में अगर दो नंबर्स को हम ऐड करेंगे कम्यूटेटिव, यानी दो नंबर्स जो 0 और 7 अगर होल नंबर है इसको हम ऐड करेंगे और उसको हम रिवर्स करेंगे, यानी 7 को पहले ऐड करेंगे और 0 को बाद में ऐड करेंगे, तो दोनों केस में आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट 2 is a whole number, yes, 3 is also a whole number. If we add here 3 plus 2, okay, then in both the cases 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2, answer is 5. okay, so we can say that the answer is same. So for any two whole numbers a plus b is equal to b plus a, so it is called addition is commutative, okay, in whole number. Now next, similarly for subtraction is not commutative because अगर 3 minus 0, ओके, इसका आंसर आएगा 3, और 0 माइनस 3 करेंगे तो उसका आंसर आएगा -3. अब -3 जो है वो होल नंबर नहीं है, इसीलिए -3 इज़ नॉट अ होल नंबर, सो वी कैन से दैट सब्ट्रैक्शन इज़ नॉट कम्यूटेटिव. नेक्स्ट, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज़ कम्यूटेटिव. व्हाई? बिकॉज 3 5s are 15 and similarly 5 3s are 15. okay, so we can say that multiplication is commutative. okay, similarly division is not commutative because if we divide 3 by 2, if we divide 3 by 1, then answer is 3. okay, and if we divide 1 by 3, then answer is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is not a whole number, so we can say that division is not commutative. okay, now for next, integers में addition, if we add two integers, see 5 plus -3, okay, 5 integer है, yes, -3 is also an integer. Now answer is what? 5 minus 3. 5 plus -3 is 5 plus -3. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. now reverse, -3 plus 5, यहाँ पे इंटीजर्स को इंटरचेंज किया. -3 plus 5 is -3 plus 5, which is also 5 minus 3 is 2 and bigger number is plus, so answer is plus, so +2 +2. okay, so we can say that if we interchange the integers, the answer will get same. okay, so we can say that addition is commutative. Similarly we can see subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. How multiplication is commutative? See, 5 into -3, okay, and again -3 into 5. okay, now multiply them. -3 into 5 is 5 3s are 15, plus minus, same here, 5 3s are 15, minus plus minus, so answer is same. So we can say that multiplication is also commutative, addition is commutative, and subtraction and division is not commutative. Next, rational numbers. Now in rational number we will see how commutativity, okay, works. Next, in addition, same, in rational number addition is commutative. How? See, if we add two numbers, -2 by 5 plus 1 by 5, so if we add this, so answer is -2 plus 1 upon 5, so answer is -2 plus 1 is -1 upon 5. okay, now if we interchange, let us interchange two digits, -2 by 5, same, 1 plus -2 upon 5. okay, now 1 plus -2 is what? 1 plus -2, plus minus, so 1 minus 2 upon 5, which is equal to 1 minus 2 is -1 upon 5, so answer is same. Yes. okay, so if we interchange these numbers, the answer will get same. So we can say that addition is commutative in rational numbers. okay, here see, we say that addition is commutative for rational number, that is for any two rational number Okay, if a and b are rational number, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. So कम्यूटेटिविटी का फॉर्मूला है a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए, यानी हम अगर नंबर्स को इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो आंसर इक्वल रहेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. सब्ट्रैक्शन में सेम नहीं होगा जैसा कि यहाँ पे दिया है 2/3 माइनस 5/4. ओके, हम अपना एग्जांपल लेते हैं, सिंपल एग्जांपल. 4/9 माइनस 1/9. सो आंसर क्या आएगा? डिनोमिनेटर में 9, आंसर ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में 4 माइनस 1. सो 4 माइनस 1 इज 3/9. ओके, आंसर 3/9. नाउ लेट अस इंटरचेंज the digit. 1/9 minus 4/9. Okay, now next 1 minus 4/9. Now 1 minus 4 is minus 3/9. Why minus 3? Because 4 is a bigger number, so minus sign will come. Okay, so answer is not the same. Here 3/9 came and here minus 3/9 came. Okay, so the answer is different, so we can say that subtraction is not commutative. So we can write here a minus b is not equal to b minus a. In addition, what we have in addition, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, but in subtraction not equal to. Okay, now next for multiplication. Again, in multiplication is also commutative, because let us see with an example. See, 3/4 multiply 4/3. See, what is the answer? 4 cancel, 3 cancel, answer is 1. Now if we interchange the number 4/3 multiply 3/4, what is the answer? 4 cancel, 3 cancel, answer is 1. Okay, so if we interchange the rational numbers, okay, then the answer is same, answers are same. Okay, so we can say that multiplication is commutative for rational number. Multiplication is commutative for rational number in general. So we can say that a multiply b is equal to b multiply a. Okay, now for division, what about division? Division is not commutative, because let us see with an example. Same, let us see minus 5/3 multiply, sorry, here we have to divide. Minus 5/3 divide minus 5/3. Okay, so what is the answer? So first we have to convert this division into multiplication. So minus 5/3 divide will convert into multiplication. So 3 upon minus 5. Minus 5 cancel, 3 cancel, so answer is 1. Okay, now if we interchange this number, sorry, we have taken a wrong example. See, 3/2 divide by 1/2. Okay, now see, 3/2 division converted into multiplication, and here the numerator goes into denominator, and denominator goes into numerator, and numerator goes into denominator. So 2 and 1 are exchanged here. Now next 2 cancel, answer is 3/1. Now if interchange this number 1/2 divide 3/2. So 1/2 multiply divide converted into multiplication, and here 2 and 3 have exchanged their places. Okay, now 2 cancel, 1/3. Okay, so here answer is 1/3 and here is 3/1. Okay, so answers are not same, so we can say that division is not commutative. Okay, so in overall, okay, we can say that in overall, in rational numbers, addition are commutative. Okay, additions are commutative, subtractions are not commutative. Okay, not commutative. Similarly, multiplication is commutative, division is not commutative. In integers, addition is commutative. Yes, additions in addition and multiplication in every are commutative in every numbers. Okay, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, rational numbers. Okay, addition and multiplication are commutative, but subtraction and divisions are not commutative. Okay, so in all no sign will come. Okay, so addition and multiplications are commutative in additions and multiplications are commutative in each number system, and subtraction is not commutative. Okay, subtraction is not commutative, and division is also not commutative in any number system. Okay, now next property is associativity. Okay, now what is associativity? Okay, in associativity, okay, if we have three numbers, okay, A, B, C. Let us suppose we have to add these three numbers. Okay, so we have two ways. First way is add these two number and then with this number, or first add these two number and then add with this number. Okay, then the answer will be same. Okay, so this is called associativity. Okay, means if we add these two numbers first, then add with the third number, or if we add last two number first and then add with this first number, then answer is, in both the cases, answers are same. Okay, so it is called associativity or associative property. Okay, now let us see in the rational numbers directly. Okay, now what about rational numbers? Okay, see, in addition, see, if we add, see, we have to add in associative property, three numbers came. Okay, now, so if we have to add three numbers, 2 by 9, okay, 1 by 9 and 3 by 9. Okay, if we have to add these three numbers, okay, so we have two ways. Either first add these two number and then their answer will be added to this number, or first add last two numbers. Okay, first add last two numbers, okay, and then the answer will be added to first numbers. Okay, so let us see one by one. See, 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Okay, then 3 by 9. Okay, so 2 by 9 is 2 plus 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 9 plus 3 by 9, so answer is 6 by 9. Okay, similarly in other ways, if we add first these two numbers, okay, then answer will be added to first number, then the answer is same. Okay, how? See, 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So first, now up in this step, we add these two number, so 2 by 9 as it is, and 1 plus 3 by 9, then the answer is 2 by 9 plus 1 plus 3 is 4 by 9, and in last 2 plus 4 by 9, which is equal to 6 by 9. So the answer is, in both the cases, answers are same. So we can say that addition is associative in rational numbers. Okay, see here. So for any three rational numbers, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. How? See, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b प्लस सी. ओके, सो यानी कि हम अगर दो नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे, वो यानी जो सेकंड और थर्ड नंबर को ऐड करेंगे और उसका आंसर से फर्स्ट नंबर को ऐड करेंगे, या फिर फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड नंबर को ऐड करके उसके आंसर से थर्ड नंबर को ऐड करेंगे, तो इन बोथ द केसेस आंसर सेम आएगा. ओके, सो इसी को कहते हैं एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, इसका फॉर्मूला है इन जनरल a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. सब्ट्रैक्शन में ये होल्ड नहीं होता, इसलिए सब्ट्रैक्शन इज नॉट एसोसिएटिव. ओके, नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यस, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन से दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज एसोसिएटिव फॉर रेशनल नंबर्स। ओके, यानी हम a मल्टीप्लाई b मल्टीप्लाई c करेंगे। ओके, सिमिलरली आंसर आएगा जब हम a मल्टीप्लाई b करेंगे और उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई c करेंगे। कैसे? चलो एग्जांपल लेते हैं। c 2/3 मल्टीप्लाई 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई 4/3। देखिए, अब सबसे पहले ये दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, सो 2 1 ज़ा 2 अपॉन 3 3 ज़ा 9 मल्टीप्लाई 4 अपॉन 3। ओके, नाउ 2 4 ज़ा 8 9 3 ज़ा 27। तो यहाँ पे 8/27 आंसर है। ओके, अब इसी को सेम 2/3 मल्टीप्लाई 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई 4/3। अब पहले लास्ट टू नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। अब देखेंगे आंसर क्या आ रहा है। 2/3 मल्टीप्लाई 4 1 ज़ा 4 3 3 ज़ा 9 और लास्ट में 4 2 ज़ा 8 और 9 3 ज़ा 27। सो यहाँ पे 8/27 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 8/27 आ रहा है। तो वी कैन से दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन is associative for rational numbers. Okay, so in general form a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Okay, so now next for division. So division is also not associative for rational numbers. Okay, now so we have seen in this video closure property of rational numbers, commutativity of rational numbers and associativity in rational numbers. Now we'll see the next properties of rational numbers in the next video. Okay, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.